how to make short horror scenes using Sora AI. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video, I will tell you how you guys can do that. So for short horror scenes, we will simply use ChatGPT for prompts. So we'll simply go to ChatGPT. Here we will tell ChatGPT our horror scenes idea. And after that, we will tell ChatGPT that we want to create videos using Sora AI from that prompt. So make sure the prompts need to be perfect. So once we tell ChatGPT that, after that ChatGPT will give us perfect prompts. So we will simply one-up that prompt. And once we copy that prompt, simply go to Chrome. Here you guys will simply open Sora AI. So the interface will look like that. So simply here you guys will click on that plus icon. Once we click here you guys will simply paste that one prompt. And once you paste, you simply click on that right side arrow. And once we click on that right side arrow, our horror scene videos will be start generating. So that's how you guys can do that. Thanks for watching.